You will notice each report has filtering options available. Opportunity reports are defaulted to display data within the current month. Activity reports display data within the current week, but that can easily be changed. Date filters allow you to choose a specific time range to narrow your data down. You can choose to see within the current day, week, month, quarter, or year, or within the last or next, define a number, again days, weeks, months, quarters, or years, or you can choose a specific time range, for example from the 9th to the 20th. Hit apply to apply the date filter. Multi-select filters allow you to dig further into your data. Select one or multiple options and click the check to apply the filter. To remove a selected option, click the X next to the field and then check to apply. Each visual acts like its own filter as well. You can click a piece of this pie chart to filter down onto only closed won opportunities. To remove the visual filter, simply click it again. To remove all filters from a page, click Clear Filters. This brings you back to display the current month for opportunity reports.